In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us want relationships. Human being, we do want the relationship. We do want to make the relationship, establish the relationships with the people of our choice. We do want to do that. That's nice. Nothing bad in it. And our today's talk is about how to do that. Our today's talk is about how to do that. How can we do that? We want to be good speaker. We want to impress them by our talks. We want to impress them by our talks, by our views. Not bad, but it must be curtailed a lot. It must be trimmed a lot. It must be minimized, reduced up to great extent. Particularly if the other person have the habit of talking much. Particularly if the other person want to speak. Be a very good listener. Be a very good listener. And listening to what they are talking on the one hand, listening to what they are talking on the one hand, listening what they are not talking on the other hand, but they can't talk on the other hand, listening to what they are talking on the one hand and listening to what they cannot talk on the other hand. This is important, very important. And trying to notice what they need, what they want. Obviously, you cannot fulfill all what they need and what they want, but at least you should consider what can you do out of those things they are in need of. What can you do out of those things what they want, what they need? Again, be a very good listener. Listen to them attentively, with the full of your attention. Pay attention to it. Try to understand them on the one hand and provide them a good listener on the other end. Try to understand them by attentively listening to what they are talking about and letting them know that you are a good listener as well. You can ask question, but do ask question very positively, very sincerely. Then everybody want to listen the praise. Everybody want to listen the praise. Do praise them. Sometime they do want to listen from your mouth, and they, why? Because they are talking like that, and it shows that they are in need of listening a kind of appreciation from you. Do appreciate them, but do it very sincerely. It should not be fake. Do it very sincerely. It should not be fake. The real thing is, do praise them in their absence. Do talk positive in their absence. Do praise them in their absence. It will reach them. Might take some time, but it will reach them. Whatever you're talking about them in their absence, it will reach them. It might take a bit of time, but it will reach them. So that is why it is necessary to praise them in their absence. Now, a very important thing. Although there are many things as far the relationships are concerned, as for trying to make the relationship with other people is concerned, as for trying to win the friends is concerned, but I spoke on the two things only. In my opinion, these are of very basic nature. These are very important, or these are one of the very important things. These are one of the these are the two out of the very important things. Not necessarily each and every important thing, which might not be feasible. But the two out of most important things we have discussed and we have spoken about. Now there is another thing which is very interesting. Which is very interesting. Relationship, making the relationship is an art. What is it? It is an art. Though many people are of the view, most of the people are of the view that once you do become rich, once you do become famous, once you do become powerful, if at all you are very handsome or beautiful, if at all you are very intelligent, if at all people need your help, if at all people can enjoy your company, they will be automatically attracted towards you. This thing is very, very true. This thing is very, very true. But it does not mean that we cannot win the friends without this. It does not mean so at all. And if you think that this is relatively easy approach, that be a rich person, be a famous person, be a powerful person, be a very handsome and beautiful person, be a very, very educated and very intelligent person, be a genius. If you think that this is easy, do that. If you think this is easy, do that. But if you do think and if you do agree with me that we can win friends without even becoming rich and famous as well, then these tips we have discussed and we have talked about today could be very useful for you, for me, for each one of us. And as I earlier said, that these are the two out of very important things. I have not spoken about each and every important thing, but the two out of very important things. Now there is another thing as well. That is, it is an art. It is an art, though a very complicated one. Why do I call it very complicated? Because we are not painting, we are not doing the painting, which is of similar nature. We are not doing the painting. We are not dealing with the rest of the creatures. We are dealing with the humans. Humans are very, very complicated creatures. Humans are very complicated creatures, and one human differs from the other humans. One human differs from the other human. Every human being is not the same. That is what makes us very complicated one. Trying to understand and trying to come up to their expectations. Trying to understand each one and trying to come up to their expectations on the other hand. It is not an easy job at all, but it is not something which is impossibly difficult. It is quite possible, it is quite doable. It is an art. Learn the art. It is an art. Learn the art and try to practice it upon other people. Try to practice it upon other people as well. Try to practice it upon other people. Try to practice it upon even those people you are not very interested in making friendship with. You can try it for the sake of gaining skills. For the sake of gaining skills, you can practice it upon other people, even the people you are not very interested. Why? To develop the skills to learn the art. But don't abuse them, don't hurt them at all. Don't abuse them, don't hurt them at all. And you will come to know, surprisingly, one surprising thing is going to happen, that you will come to know that out of these people with whom you were not very interested to make the relationship, some of the people will be very good one, and you will be very happy by making a relationship with those people. And contrary to that, the people you were so desperate and interested to make the relationship with, some of the people will hurt you and will hurt you a lot. And you will say that trying to make a relationship with these people was an absolutely wrong and nonsense decision. These things too must be kept in mind. Thank you very much.